Good morning from Budapest. Really excited about this one, guys. Got some fantastic things to show you. And Budapest is a tale of two cities, which one side is Buda, the other side is Pest. We're going to see if we can get into the thermal beer spot. 45 minutes and as much beer as you can drink while you're sat in the thermal waters. Have a bit of that.
It's changing rooms. This too, it's on the body. The malt contains vitamin B, very good for your skin, for the hair, for the nails. While the hop has a really good relaxing effect, so it's going to ease your muscles, relaxes the body. And we add the special balsamic salt also. It's special because it's also mixed with beer ingredients. It has a really nice smell, very beneficial on the skin. So after this session, you will become a brand new.
A new man.
Yeah. So guys, please come with me. You can find the seats both ends in the back. And of course the beer tap. For you can find seats both ends. In the middle we put some snacks to eat. And of course, the beer tap is for the glass a little bit like this, not like that because of the foam.
Yep.
And just pull this way.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy. And of course, you can tell me how you feel about the temperature. I can make it hotter, cooler, as you like it.
Oh, beautiful.
Andy's into the beer already.
Now and I change the bottle. Okay.
This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, no do that.
There we are, boys.
Okay. Could it go up a bit?
Yeah. Be careful this side because we have a tap. It's good. I don't want to burn you.
And this is hot springs coming out of here.
Yeah, it's thermal water.
Thermal water, yeah.
It's really, it will be really hot. So with your leg,
Just move your leg around
I
there.
don't
Move
want
it out.
I want to burn you.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh,
And
yes.
what temperature does it come out of there?
Well, from there it's really hot, like 40,
40 degrees, 50 degrees? Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so we mix it with cold water and I'll make it look perfect.
That's nice.
How are we going to get dry?
What's the shape like?
I do have a towel. So guys, this is the weirdest thing. We're actually sat in warm thermal water with beer, drinking beer. Cheers, boys. Cheers, buddy. Cheers, everybody.
Come on, Neil. Come on.
You got jump on me then. Don't cut across. Don't cut across. Don't cut across. I'm coming up the inside. I'm coming up the inside.
That's the outside on this side of the road.
I've done you. I've left you out. I'm gone. Oh, you're there. That was a fast one, this one, wasn't it? Okay, so we've been recommended this as a authentic Hungarian restaurant. Let's see what we can find. Hello. Hello. Sorry. What's yours? What's yours? I love you. I don't think we have to break the family. Okay, good. What do we say? Agishida. You said it for me. Just a bit. That's got an even more kick. Still like the first one.
Really? Still like the first one was a bit stronger.
All I can say, boys, I'm not having no more. I'm done. Cheers.
I've had 3 of these. The waiter came and he wanted us to have an appetizer, not realising it was shots. Are you sober?
I'm
That'll do. Beer o'clock time. It's a nice place. Let's go and see. What a difference 24-hour makes. A little bit murky yesterday, but today we've got beautiful blue sky. So let's go and ride the funicular. We've just ridden the funicular to the top of Buda Hill, and beneath us now we can see spectacular views of Budapest and the Danube. On the inside. Martin, thank you.
Cheers to you. Enjoy your drink.
Thank you. Look at this. I'm in Budapest on the banks of the River Danube. So it's only right I have a Blue Danube. Lovely. So we're going on our evening cruise on the Danube. Champagne. Champagne Charlie, here we go. So guys, if you're thinking about doing a Danube cruise, it's well worth every penny.